It will definitely happen to at least one of you on this assignment. Okay, so I got my rock, paper, scissors. I know you missed it. Everybody loves rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so this is my main program here, right? Here are my functions. I'm going to do assignment 11 for you in a very short amount of time. You ready? You ready? I'm going to create first a new file called RPS modules, or RPS module. That's what I'll call it, .py. Okay? Now I'm going to take my functions, I'm going to delete them from this, and I'm going to paste them over here. Okay, now notice I'm getting an error here because this file requires random. So I'm going to import random into my module. So when I import my module, it's going to import random. So it's called a dependency. So import random. There are my functions. My functions do not exist here. Notice I'm getting errors. But what do I have to do? And I'm not using random here anymore because it's only used in the other one. So I don't need it here. But I'm going to say from RPS module, import all. Notice my errors go away. And now I have rock, paper, scissors using modules. So if I run this, right, it works just fine the way it's supposed to. And that's it. That's assignment 11. So if you have rock, paper, scissors and you created those modules properly, that's how fast assignment 11 should go for you. If you didn't, your mileage may vary. And I'm not going to say I told you so, but I told you so. Or you told us so. But somebody definitely told you that this was going to be an issue. Somebody who might be standing up here right now told you that already. So this is a good opportunity for you to go back and look at your functions and make sure that they're written the way they're supposed to be written, because isn't that pretty slick? I think it is. I love the idea of being able to easily create things like this. And you could take other pieces of this, obviously, where you're printing the score. I mean, you could shorten this main program to like probably about a dozen lines of code if you really condense things. And most of the functionality could be out here in this RPS module. Now, this is a good example because it's something we've already worked with and you're familiar with the code and all that, but it's not a great example of a situation where I would actually use an external module, right? Because how often do I need to use functions that help me play rock, paper, scissors in the rest of my life? Probably not that often. But there are plenty of other things where I have libraries of reusable functions that I've created for my own use. And you will too if you keep working in Python, for sure. So that is it. So rock, paper modules, all you're doing is taking your rock, paper, scissors code. You are taking the functions out of that code and you're putting them into a module that is a separate Python file that lives in the same directory. And then you're going to import them from that, which should make your program work just the way it did before. So the other thing here is that for the first time, I'm going to ask you to submit 2 files. Now you should be able to submit both files on Canvas. I want your main script and your modules file.